Hey guys, welcome back. This is Ron Jordan over at RJ Lang Sales. What we're looking at today is how to input box tools and take those box tools, get a delta temperature, and put that into our report. So what we'll do, we've already cleaned up our image in the level and span. So what I want to do is add a measurement tool. So I like using this box tool. And you simply, whenever you click on the box, you will then hold the button in, the left mouse button, and then drag it. So as you'll notice, as I've put the box tool 1, box tool 2, those temperatures end up over here on the right hand hotbar. Now what we've done is we've isolated that single pixel inside of there. Now we can resize this box, so don't get alarmed if you've made it too small or too large. We can change the size of it. So I like to see apples to apples here, so I want to isolate on the same components. And as you'll notice, the max temp is 147 and the max temp over here is 94.4. Now what we can also do to compare those two regulator connection points, we can add a delta function. So I'll simply click on the delta function, and as you'll notice, it has reference temperature, box temperature. Now we want to change that. So I'll hit this cog. Now the reference temperature, we're going to change that to box 1, and then we're going to change the box 1 to box 2. We'll click off of there, and now we notice that we have a 53.5 degree delta. Now we can move this box around as well. And as I move this box around, you'll notice over here that that delta moves as well. So if you wanted to take this and compare it to this side, compare it to here, you can continuously move this around and see that delta move around as well, comparing different reference temperatures as you see fit. Again, this is how to use a box tool on FLIR Tools Plus. I'm Ron Jordan over at RJ Lang Sales. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, found it helpful, and I hope you share it with you and your team. Feel free to like, share, subscribe to the channel for all types of updated information that we're putting out there on FLIR Tools and FLIR in general in the thermography world. You can also reach me at rjordan@langsales.com. Or you can give me a call on my cell at 724-290-0558. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.